First Lady, Lady Bird Johnson, said, "One of my most unforgettable memories of the past years is walking through the Redwoods last November. All our problems seemed to fall into perspective, and I think every one of us walked out more serene and happier." Hi everybody, you're watching a Happy Trails Hiking Park Travel Short. Today we're exploring Lady Bird Johnson Grove in Redwood National Park.
The Lady Bird Johnson Grove Trail is a 1.5 mile loop trail located in the southern part of Redwood National Park. The First Lady actively promoted the protection and creation of natural habitats. This is an interpretive trail, and there is a brochure that you can find at the trailhead. There are also ranger-led programs throughout the summer months. This old-growth forest is made up of ancient redwood trees and Douglas fir. It gives you an intimate look at a magnificent ridgetop redwood forest. These tall trees and understory plants made me realize how small I actually am in the world. About midpoint in your walk is this plaque that was placed at the dedication ceremony. This is a wonderful, easy walk in Redwood National Park. It is not ADA accessible, but the path is wide and you can enjoy the sunlight through the trees. We would highly recommend this trail as a must-see when you're in Redwood National Park. We've visited 2 times in the last few years and hope to go back at some other point in time. If you'd like to see the full video from Lady Bird Johnson Grove, please check the link above or the description below. Until next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks so much for watching.